tuigire magoti tukumenyithia uria kurathi na mbere igoti ria gucokia cira riko ni rianjiririe cikaro cia gutetia itua ria igoti nene riria riarugamirie mubango wa gucenjia watho rungu rwa mendekithia ma riboti ya BBI. Acirithania mugwanja magitongorio ni president wa igoti riri Daniel Musinga nio meguthikiriria cira uyu kwa hinda ria thiku 4 mbere ya mathite keheri-ini kwandika itua riao ria muthia. Wairo wa Nyambura yanatarĩria.
Mubango wa gutetia itua ria igoti rinene ria kurugamia itanya ria gucenjia watho rungu rwa mendekithia ma riboti ya BBI ugomanithitie ataramu a watho ihinda iraya rungu rwa utongoria wa acirithania mugwanja a igoti ria gucokia cira riko matongoretio ni president wa igoti riri Daniel Musinga. Wakiria thirikari matongoretio ni munini wa munene wa watho Kennedy Ogeto nio mahingurite kiharo gia cira uyu na maugite ati igoti ria gucokia macira riko riagirire kureka wendi wa muingi uthamake ndereti-ini ya gucenjia watho.
Amendment provisions in the constitutions are not polymorphic. Every constitution has its own amendment procedure and none is like the other. In fact, the text of our amendment is unlike any other constitution.
If that article says the popular initiative is the work of the people and Parliament, yes, does that not mean that in the eyes of the Constitution, Parliament is not the people? We have the people, yes, and then we have Parliament.
Every person in Kenya has political rights that are protected under the Constitution, and those rights include supporting or campaigning for any cause, so that even the officers seated in front of me today, you have a right to vote, you have a right to support any cause, and if that cause includes, for example, a proposal for amendment of the Constitution, you have a right.
Mawakiria thirikari maugite ati watho ndutariirie na kinyi ati he andu magiritio matikambiriria mubango wa gucenjia watho tondu wa iturwo iria maikarire noguo magakindira cira wao na murugamo wa ati president ari mundu kiumbe kana anyitirire giturwa giake no ambiriria mubango wa gucenjia watho undu uria itua ria igoti rinene riaugire ndangika.
My lords and my ladies, this was a fundamental factual error on the part of the judges. To be clear, we will be submitting that nothing in the Constitution prevents His Excellency the President from originating an amendment proposal to the Constitution. Even so, in the present case, my lords and my ladies, His Excellency the President never played the role that the learned judges claimed that he did.
Mawakiria mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga maugite ati ni makatifere muthingi wayo toria igoti rinene riatuire indi kuga ati muthingi ucio ndungicenjio bata ni urumirire watho.
I'm allowed, if you go under Article 255 sub Article 1 up to I, including the national values and principles. The Constitution says it's amendable, so long as you follow the procedure.
So, Senior Counsel, to get you right on what you're saying and your statement earlier that every society has a basic structure, the question is the amendability.
Amendability.
So, do I get you to say that every article in the Constitution is amendable as long as it is done constitutionally?
The court mixed up all these issues as if they all mean the same thing. And therefore, as you read, you find yourself falling over yourself on when you're dealing with basic structure and when you're dealing with eternity clauses. But there are actually three very different things. There's eternity clause, which is extremely distinct from the issue of basic structure. And there is basic structure also totally distinct from the issue of amendability.
Wakiria Raila Odinga magatiria cira wao rucini rwa muthenya wa gatatu niguo matemere njira batuni ya Aruna wa commission ya ithurano magitongorio ni uria wari munene wa watho Profesa Githu Muigai. Ngiribotera Inooro TV Njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.